for a little sharpen. Check your chain moves freely. Flat file, round file. Obviously it needs to be the right size for the size tooth you've got. And you've got a little line there, 30 degrees. So that's the way I'm gonna file that. And then on my chain, I've got two teeth that are the same. There. So I'll start on them. 1, 2, 1, 2. Use your file, push it forward in the opposite direction, the opposite facing tooth, same angle, 30 degrees. And as I'm doing it, I'm pushing down and then into the tooth. So down, in, tooth's gone up a bit, so that's just down and that's just in. To the tooth. 1, 2. It's nice of 2, that one. I'll do 3 with my left because obviously it's my weakest hand. 1, 2. Tap there, bits of metal that build up on here. You can see now. Stop off occasionally. One. Back to the 2 teeth that face in the same direction. Then, as you've sharpened that, you've ground the tooth away, and the tooth's up on an angle like that, so as you grind away, it's going to come lower. You want the rakers to be just lower than the teeth. Because as this goes through the wood's going to hit the raker first, come up, and then your tooth's going to take out whatever distance is between the height difference between the tooth, which should be higher than your raker. All I'm doing with my fingers is just protecting the blade tooth. Obviously, you just sharpened it, or you can use that, but it hurts my hands after a while holding that steady. So just do whichever way you prefer. If you ain't got one of them, don't use one of them, you don't have to. It just protects the teeth. You can take your rakers down first. And you don't have to take your rakers down every time you sharpen the tooth. We've probably done these because I didn't do it in order to ADHD for you, that is. I'll just do them anyway. And that rests on that tooth and that tooth. So you can only take off the right amount. That's me sharpening the chainsaw.